I believe, as well as the Democratic Party of California, that health care is a human right, not a privilege.
Hi, Ron. How are you doing today? Dr. Thompson.
I would call on those, Democrats or anyone who say they stand for affordable health care to put their money where their mouth is, so to speak.
Working families have incredible expenses. And what do? Do you cut what you eat so you can afford your health care? Do you get another job so you can afford health care?
I've even gone and gotten a second job at times over the last 3 years. In the evenings, working 25 hours a week on top of my 40 as a part-time job. I spend my lunch hour taking naps because I have to catch up on sleep somewhere.
Counties and cities, governmental agencies have to wake up to the fact that the burden cannot be put on the employees. It's going to impact them deeply, and that is going to impact the way government can serve our communities as a whole.
Just to keep making my house payments, I've had to forego follow-up on doctor's visits that I really should go to because I just flat can't afford it. I've already built up a bill with Kaiser that I can't afford.
The county has a responsibility to pay some of the increases in health care costs. We see no reason the working people should bear all the costs of the health care increases.
I think a lot of times our elected officials become out of touch with reality of everyday life of people that are in the labor force. They think, well, what's $20 more a month?
Being an elected official is not like a separate class away from the community. I think people who get in elected office often are doing so with the desire to serve, but you have to decide who you want to serve. Are you going to serve the people?
I feel that they look at a budget as purely numbers. They need to look at the human cost, and they need to find the ways to make it work.
We are the front line of this county, and they just don't appreciate us at all.
Putting the burden on those who are serving our communities is so unfair, and frankly, it's unacceptable and unconscionable.